If you're at all familiar with programs like WordPress or Shopify, you'll know about themes. Themes are prepackaged site setups which deliver a site similar to what you're looking for right out of the box. This new version of uStore supports that concept, although they currently only have one theme available. Don't worry, there will be more over time, and here's how they're going to get there. uStore themes are made from ReactJS code, and customers can add ReactJS code to create themes. XMPie's basic theme, called Aqua Blue, is designed for large sites. They also claim to be developing one for smaller sites called Forest Green. Despite the names, the differences are more about the amount of supported content and functionality than colors. They plan to offer services to teach customer technical staff on how to develop themes and to create a community with a library of customer-created examples. You might want to stop here if you don't know what ReactJS is or find that looking at screenfuls of code is distressing. However, if you know that ReactJS is just a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, continue watching to see some of the tools XMPie offers in this new release to help you do your job. Programmers can download uStore themes and edit them on their laptops rather than working on the live site. The system connects to the server to pull information from the database through an API, but all this is buried so that developers don't need to access the APIs. This is a theme. Yeah, I know it looks sort of like the code screen in the movie Matrix, but your developers can quickly identify the woman in the red dress. They have access to everything, like your shopping cart or your homepage. They can add code directly here to do things like changing the banner to a slider, for example. This is an example of how a theme developed with theme editor amendments to the look and feel appears to end users. Notice how we've replaced the static banner with a slider. The coders even made this site dynamic to each user's department. Different slider banners, categories, and other elements are displayed depending on the department in which the current user works. Your people can do amazing things with this. uStore has made significant steps in simplifying and extending portal customization, but I hope they take it further. I use WordPress a lot and love the way non-programmers can add widgets to page regions. I hope that XMPie eventually provides something similar so that you can drag and drop sliders, banners, carts, and other elements without needing to dive down into ReactJS. I hope that their user community takes off and that it builds a substantial library of themes. For this to happen, XMPie will need to provide training and also find a way to motivate customers to share their themes rather than hoarding them for themselves. The technology is there. The challenge will be in encouraging a community of competitors to share. Overall, these are massive improvements to the system, and I applaud XMPie for moving in this direction. There is one more video in this briefing which walks through setting up and ordering a marketing campaign via uStore. I am not sure how much of this is new, but it is an excellent example of how two XMPie products, uStore and Circle, work together and is worth a watch.